You've heard it before, AEDs save lives. If you're still using paper or online spreadsheets to manage your AED, you need TrackMyAED. Free to all clients of AED for life. TrackMyAED is a simple and easy way to manage multiple AEDs, ensuring your AED is rescue ready at all times. You can track your AEDs, complete monthly checks, and even order supplies using TrackMyAED. You can also complete monthly checks or reorder supplies on your phone using our free TrackMyAED scanner app, available on both Apple and Android devices. Additional rescue supplies such as EpiPens and bleed kits are also available online. All AED pads and batteries expire and need to be replaced. With TrackMyAED, you can designate an AED program manager to receive monthly reminders before they expire, with the option to order new supplies online. The program manager will also receive an email from the AED manufacturer if any software updates or corrective action is required. Program managers can also download financial reports useful for long-term budget projections. TrackMyAED can even monitor trained responder credentials and will notify you when additional training is required. TrackMyAED's resource page and helpful tutorial videos take any guessing out of monthly checks or pad and battery replacements. And rest assured, our dedicated team of AED specialists can handle the rest. With 15 years experience as Canada's largest AED management provider, AED for Life can design, implement, and maintain an AED program that meets your individual needs. Call or visit us online to learn more about TrackMyAED.